Hey guys, it's Sydney and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here, and if you are, make sure you click that big red button and subscribe and give this video a big thumbs up because it really helps support my channel. So for today's video, as you can tell by the title, is going to be a review on a pretty popular Instagram store, I guess you can say, called TU. They have clothes and like leggings and tanks and stuff, and then they also have swimwear, which I would say is like their most popular thing about them. So yeah, we are just going to jump right into this. So excuse my hat. My hair is just like not working with me today, so it's a hat day. We all have those hat days. First things first are these tank tops. Oh my goodness, I'm obsessed. So they sent me, also this video is sponsored just so you guys know. They sent me a gray tank top. They're nice little cropped fitted tank tops like so. A black one, which is what I'm wearing in the try on, and a nice like tan nude colored one. And these are all so cute. They're nice and like form-fitting, nice and tight, so you don't really have to wear a bra with like the black and the gray one, I would say, but the nude just seemed like a little bit thin, so you might want to wear a bra with that, or if you just like do not care, then you know, go for it, girl, go for it. But yeah, these tank tops are insane. I'm gonna get so much use out of them, and they're definitely going to be a staple signature item in my wardrobe because you can't go wrong with having some nice basic crop tanks. These would also be amazing for the gym too because they are so compressed, and the length of them meets like right with high-waisted leggings, so it would look like a really cute gym outfit. And then the other clothing item that they sent me was this really cute orange bodysuit. So at the bottom it snaps together with these little snaps here, and it's just like a really nice orange bright color. It has a really wide armhole, so you get a flattering like side boob, or what would be really cute too if side boob like isn't your thing, if it's too much, would be to wear like a lacy bralette so you could see it peeking through right underneath your arm. And this is also really great. This is size small, I believe, and I think I got these in a size small as well. The only thing is the tags don't have the sizing on them. But yeah, I think these things are size small. And this is also a nice thick double lined material, so you could go without a bra if you decide to. So now jumping into the swimwear. So I just tried on the tops for the swimwear. I never really show like the bottoms when I try them on anyways. So if you want to see the fit style of the bottoms, just go over to their Instagram or online and you can see all that stuff. But for the sake of this video, I only showed the tops. So the first bikini I have here is this really pretty lilac color, and it has a clasp in the front and then the classic clasp in the back, and the straps are adjustable, and it's just a nice triangle shape, super flattering. And it came with these bottoms. They kind of have more coverage, as you can see, but it's super like high on the hip. You could just tell by the cut of this that it's higher. So these bottoms are in a medium, and the top is in a medium as well, and the bathing suits do have the size tag on it, just so you guys know. So I really like this. I think this is so cute, and the bottoms also have like the matching clasp as the top, so you know it kind of like all goes together. Really cute. I love the metal details. Then this next bathing suit, the top I am obsessed with. So it's a super flattering off the shoulder top. The like style of it is kind of like a bandeau. It's a really nice fabric, a lot thinner than that purple bathing suit I just showed you guys, but it's still flattering, not see-through or anything. And just this cut, this is so unique as well. Like I feel like I've never really seen this except for by this brand, so I love that. I also have it in a black one here, but I tried the pink one on for you guys, and so this is just really cute. It's gonna be such just like cute. So cute. The bottoms with that for the pink one are these more like bootylicious cut, definitely a lot more thongish, and you could tell by the cut that it's high on the waist as well. Super popular. I'm really obsessed with these bottoms. And then also with the pink color, I got this top as well. It's a nice triangle top, and the straps crisscross in the back. You guys will see it. So it's all continuously one like string, so you can adjust the straps by just tying it tighter in the back. So that is really cute, and it's the same texture, the same fabric as well. With the black top to match it are just these simple staple black string bottoms. Again, a lot more bootylicious. It's got a smaller amount of fabric on the buttocks, so super cheeky, you know, let those cheeks out at the beach. And yeah, just the adjustable tie strings on the hips. Super simple, but also like a staple piece of swimwear to have in your collection. You know what I mean? Like perfect for tanning. Love it. The next one, I'm super obsessed with this one. It's just so different, and I feel like it's especially different for this brand as well because they kind of have a lot of just solid colors. But then you got this guy, and it's super fun. The blue with the pale orange and the white. It's just really, really cute. I feel like this is so like summery. Reminds me of like on a lake in summer, you know? This is definitely the most supportive top out of the ones that they have sent me, so I really, really like this. And it has adjustable straps, and they tie in the back like this, so that's how you adjust the straps. And the bottoms for this is really cute as well. So these are like high-waisted, so they come on me, they come right below the belly button. If I really want to hike them up, then I could get them like at my belly button, but these are really cute. Oh, and in this top I'm small, and in these bottoms I am wearing small, and then also I'm wearing a small in the black bottoms, and this stringy pink top is a medium. And the one shoulder tops are a medium as well for me. So now that we're caught up with sizing, because I always forget to mention what size I got, the last little set that I got from them is this nice red. It's just your classic red. I love a good red bathing suit. It just like screams like Baywatch, and it's just, I love it. I love it. So these are in a size medium, and they're a lot more durable, I would say, than like the pink fabric. This is definitely, I don't know if you can really tell, but a lot looser. You know, they have these seams here, whereas this one is a more seamless style. And so I think these ones would be a lot more durable and supportive. And you can also tell it's a lot more full coverage, but yet you'll still have some cheekiness because these are high hip. You can tell by the cut, they just sit higher on the hips. And so with those bottoms, I have two red tops. So this first one is a nice triangle top, but it is sewn together right here. So it's a bit more supportive in that sense, and just, you know, string bikini to adjust the straps. And then this one is a more like Brazilian string bikini. So these are not attached here. And you could also make this more supportive too by just tying it tighter, as simply put. So that is the end of this little summer swim haul, whatever I'm gonna end up titling it. Thank you so much to TU for partnering with me on this, so I'm able to share your guys' products and just show everyone my opinions and my little review on them. So I'm super excited to add these to my swimsuit collection. It's summer now, so like I'm ready to be just in water. You know what I mean? Alright, and with that, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a big thumbs up. And yeah, follow me on Instagram, and I post twice a week now on Sundays and Wednesdays. Alright, I love you. Bye guys.